Okay, ramen, maramata, ramen, ramen, chicken broth and chicken. Maybe chicken, half boiled egg, blue mushroom, two onions slowly, and sweet.
That's why I watched it.
Chicken cover.
Ramen, kimchi,
Kimchi.
ramen, kimchi, light chicken.
Chicken cover.
Ramen, kimchi,
Kimchi.
ramen, kimchi, light
Überraschung!
Yes, perfect. Good. Yes, perfect. Good.
Wie viele seid ihr? Ja?